Hello and welcome back, it's Rockefeller. In this video I'm making a game in 2 hours with the theme of Knockdown. I've already thought about what kind of game I want to make and I've created a character, which is just a circle with a face, and I've taken some sounds from SFXR. I start by creating a new project in Unity and creating folders for animations, fonts, images, prefab, scenes, scripts and sounds. I've chosen a light blue background because I wanted this game to be brighter and more fun than my coffee game. I want it to be an addictive game for people to pass some time. He needs a circle collider and a rigid body 2D. It's time to start working on the player script. This script will give him movement determined by the player using the WASD keys. It will also store the player's score and move variables. The aim of this game is for the player to traverse as far down as possible and destroy as many rocks as they can with the moves that they have. There will be 2 power-ups. A yellow rock will give the player 6 more moves and a red rock will give the player the points for the rocks on the row it is found. With the prefabs made, it's time to work on the level generation script. It's going to use 2 arrays of randomly generated rocks which I'll call a frame or a grid. Each frame will be deleted when it is left at the top of the screen and a new one will be created below the next one. This optimization will allow the game to run faster on mobile devices by removing game objects no longer needed. Of course we need a main menu, so that's the next script I'll work on. It will be simple and have a play button, option button and quit button, and show the user's pass score as well as high score. I've created a script for the save system and audio manager, as well as the high score and sound classes. Next I work on the menu, keeping the same font but giving each button a shadow on the text. I also create an options menu for the mute button because it's required for any game with sounds annoying like this one. Now at this point I only have 40 minutes left and I still have to test it and create the save system. As you can tell, it's working really well. I said really well. Okay, there we go. The game is working well and the options menu has some advertising for my YouTube channel. With everything done, here is the game completed in 2 hours and... It's my competition and it's the only entry, so I'll allow it. I really need to work on my timing, but yeah, here's the finished game. I hope you enjoy. I hope to put a bit more work into this game because I'm really happy with how it turned out, but I think there's still a bit more I could do. And hopefully we'll get it onto Windows, Android, and possibly iOS. As I mentioned in the last video, the Patreon is now up and you'll be able to find me if you search for Rockefeller Dev. Thank you all for watching. As always, the support is really appreciated and I hope to see you all soon.